Hi friends, welcome to Live at Chennai. This is Mr. Nivas. Today I'm going to draw the very famous actor Dhanush. Okay, so as usual I'm going to use normal HB pencil for the initial drawing, and also I usually start from the left side eye, and following that I'll draw right side eye and eyebrow, all this. So eye is a key point so that we can draw next features by comparing the eye. See that? So now I finished the second eye, so we got the eye level. So following that, nose and beard, mustache can be drawn. Actually now I'm doing initial sketch, so after this I'll be doing some improvisation with the final outline. So it involves a lot of stages and attempts to create nice portrait. So now the initial sketch going to over, so after that I'll be doing final outline. So now I'm doing a final outline with a black stellar pencil for eye. For other part I'll use dark brown, and for mustache and beard I can finally use stellar black pencil. See, so except eye and other features of the face I'm using dark brown color, because for the skin area don't use black color, it will not mingle with any other, or it will not be easy to erase. Actually I think the drawing is not okay but anyway I'll try to do my best with bringing the character of the Dhanush and as well as resemblance, because it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of time to finish up. So I think I'll be doing a lot of corrections and improvisation. So now the shirt is over. Almost the final outline is over. Now I am erasing all the unwanted pencil lines. Finally the brown and black pencil line will be visible, so that we can easily start shading on that. So again I'm doing improvisation with the with the help of photograph. So this is like a man working with some people. So actually the drawing is not okay 100%, but I would like to try to draw this without making any mistake. Maybe it can come good even after shading, so that I'm just starting with that. So I'm just starting with the highlights, light shadow. I think you'd have actually the picture is made of digital painting earlier, so that I took it as a reference picture from net. Maybe it's so now I'm doing with hairstyle. For hairstyle I'm using a black Staedtler pencil. Since the pencil is very small, so I used holder for that. So the hairstyle is completely done with 8B pencil. On top of the head and side there'll be a red color hair, so later we can add that. See, I'm just applying orange and red color. So after doing a hairstyle, I just wanted to color the face of the background. So left side around the face, I'm just giving a brown color shadow as a background. So now let me start with the dark color pencil, I mean dark brown, slowly on the face and eye wrinkle and nose lips all together. Slowly improvising with slowly giving light brown shadow initially, later we can add brown color or any other colors with them. So the same process I have done with the entire face. Because actually this picture looks very bright of Dhanush, because Dhanush real picture obviously it will not be like that. So anyway, since is done with the mustache, so we should appreciate him. And so now I'm just doing background on the right side. So almost the face is over. So before making beard and mustache, simply apply the same skin color on the portrait, because sometimes you'll be leaving or somebody will leave, so that it will be good evidence for others. So next beard and mustache. For beard, you just draw the white line first and marking them as a sheet white. The rest of the tile will be a color. See the eyebrow. The character of the face is most of depends upon the eyebrow, mustache and beard and hair, because these are the darkest thing in the face. Actually this portrait took me a long time to finish up, because I spent around 5 to 6 hours. So almost the mustache over. Then next we can move to beard. So lips and teeth are almost over. So actually for the beard there are some white hair, so you can draw the white hair first. It is overlapped with other hair which is around that, so that we can take a still now I feel like it is to be altered a little bit more, so maybe after the exam or before the exam I just wanted to correct this drawing. So almost the beard and other part over, so I'm just doing color correction into my so improvisation is the only thing that which you can repeatedly doing and make it perfect. Okay guys, it's almost the shirt and the other part over, so now I'm just doing beads. Maybe it's a sentimental purpose. People are nowadays wearing in Cinefil. Hi all, now we are in the end of the session, so I think this video tutorial was very useful to you to start any new color pencil. What's right, so if you like my tutorial you can subscribe into my channel, and also you can share this video link to your friends and family. I'll be coming up with another new video. Thank you, bye bye, see you, thanks for watching.